Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be making steamed chicken with mushrooms. This dish is low effort, but still very delicious and healthy. All we need to do is marinate the chicken and then steam it, which will result in a chicken that is super tender and juicy. The shiitake mushrooms will be very fragrant, and the soy sauce-based marinade will add a hint of sourness and sweetness. When marinating the chicken, cornstarch is the key ingredient that will make the chicken meat very tender. Adding a teaspoon of sesame oil will not only prevent the chicken from sticking together, but it will also make the dish super fragrant. It smells so good. The sauce is very similar to the one that is used in Chinese steamed fish recipe. If you like that dish, you will definitely enjoy this one. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!